It's time to relax, to unwind, to settle down, and to drift into deep sleep. Lie down, relax, take a deep breath in and release slowly, gently. Now imagine the golden light of dawn. In this light, the world awakens. Dewdrops glisten on emerald leaves, reflecting the rising sun. Birds singing their melodious tunes, creating a symphony that drifts through the air, soothing your weary soul. Imagine yourself wandering along a tranquil forest path. Soft rays of sunlight filtering through the branches, casting dappled shadows on the moss-covered ground. The gentle rustling of leaves, whispering secrets carried by the wind. A lullaby for your troubled thoughts. Pause for a moment. See this babbling brook, its crystal clear waters meandering over smooth pebbles. Close your eyes and listen as the water cascades, a symphony of serenity. The rhythmic babbling instills a sense of tranquility, washing away the worries of the day. Look up and marvel at the boundless expanse of the sky. Wispy clouds drifting lazily, painting pictures of imagination upon the azure canvas. Feel the cool breeze caress your cheeks, carrying with it the scent of wildflowers and distant adventures. In a meadow, a sea of colorful blooms stretches out before you. Look at those. See those delicate petals swaying gracefully in the gentle wind. Bees dancing from one blossom to another, spreading nature's sweet gift. Their buzzing hum is a gentle chorus, inviting you to embrace the present moment. Beneath the shade of a mighty oak, you find solace. Its majestic branches reach towards the heavens, providing shelter and a sanctuary from the world's chaos. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and feel the comforting embrace of nature. Let your worries drift away, like fallen leaves carried by a gentle breeze. Feel the embrace. Imagine yourself in the lap of nature. Nature's embrace is a balm for the weary spirit, a reminder of the beauty at peace that exists beyond our daily trials. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Inhale the purity of the natural world and exhale the burdens that weigh you down. In this harmonious sanctuary, find solace, find serenity, and find yourself.